Are you someone who uses live streams either for business or social media content? Would you like to increase your effectiveness and engage your audience more easily? With our app, you can reach a wider audience and increase engagement with a more successful live stream content delivery method. Keep watching to see how streamers can use a teleprompter to take their content from ordinary to extraordinary. Hi, I'm Mia from teleprompter.com. In today's video, we'll see how live streams can benefit from the use of a teleprompter. For content creators, reporters, and business owners, live streams can be a valuable way to deliver the latest information to stay ahead of the game. Live streams can be difficult to plan and execute, but fortunately, our teleprompter application is here to help. The rapid advancement of technology has dramatically transformed the way we communicate, connect, and share information. One of the most influential developments in recent times is the rise of live streaming, a medium that enables individuals and organizations to broadcast events, presentations, and discussions in real time to a global audience. However, despite its many advantages, live streaming can present challenges, particularly when it comes to maintaining a coherent and engaging flow of communication. This is where teleprompters come into play. A teleprompter is a device that displays scripted text, aiding the speaker by providing a seamless and structured delivery of content. In this video, we will explore how the integration of teleprompters can enhance the ease and effectiveness of live streams, ensuring fluent and easy-to-understand delivery. One of the primary challenges during live streaming is the ability to maintain a fluent and effective delivery of content. Speakers often find it challenging to balance eye contact with the camera or audience while simultaneously delivering their message. Teleprompters address this issue by allowing the speaker to read the script directly in front of the camera lens, giving the illusion of direct eye contact with the audience. This results in a more engaging and personal connection, as the speaker can focus on the content rather than struggling to remember lines or losing their train of thought. Social media content creators. Social media influencers often create video content where they need to communicate information clearly and effectively. Our teleprompter displays the script in front of them, allowing them to maintain eye contact with the camera while delivering their message fluently. This enhances the overall quality and professionalism of their content. It's also the best and only decision for on-the-go broadcast because of no real weight and easy portability. With our app, influencers can avoid stumbling over words, forgetting key points, or making frequent retakes. This can save time and effort during the content creation process, leading to more efficient workflows and higher quality content. Writing a script and then delivering it on camera can be time-consuming. Using a teleprompter allows influencers to read the script while recording, reducing the need for extensive editing or post-production work. This can help influencers produce content more quickly. Encouraging audience engagement. An engaged audience is more likely to retain information and respond positively to the content being presented. Teleprompters play a role in enhancing audience engagement by enabling the speaker to maintain a dynamic and engaging delivery. With the script easily accessible, speakers can focus on using gestures, intonation, and body language to emphasize key points and maintain the audience's interest. Additionally, the fluid delivery facilitated by teleprompters prevents the audience from becoming bored or disinterested due to long pauses or repetitive filler words. Adaptability for various formats. Live streaming is utilized across a wide range of formats, including interviews, webinars, product launches, and educational sessions. Teleprompters offer adaptability to various formats by allowing the speaker to customize the script based on the specific needs of the event. Whether it's following a structured script, answering questions, or improvising based on the audience's reactions, teleprompters provide the flexibility needed to create a seamless and engaging experience. Conclusions. Live streaming has become an integral part of modern communication, enabling individuals and organizations to connect with a global audience in real time. While live streams can present challenges in terms of maintaining a coherent and engaging delivery, teleprompters emerge as a powerful solution. By ensuring fluent and coherent delivery, enhancing professionalism, facilitating the presentation of complex information, encouraging audience engagement, and adapting to various formats, teleprompters offer a streamlined approach to live streaming. As technology continues to evolve, integrating teleprompters into the live streaming process is likely to become a standard practice, revolutionizing the way we communicate and share information in the digital age. We would love to hear if you think our teleprompter can help with your live streams. Whether you stream for fun or business, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content. Happy teleprompting!